last section, what we are saying is Python basics. I hope you everyone getting some basic idea about the Pythons. Now in this section, what we are going to say is NumPy. Okay, yeah, we already know the Python basics, and uh, apart from the Python, we are using some libraries in the deep learning workshop. Okay, some certain libraries, some like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. This kind of libraries we are using lot in the deep learning parts. So that's why we are exploring a little bit the basics of the library, how it's work, what is the purpose of the library. Okay, that's why we are seeing in the section. The first library is the NumPy. NumPy is basically using for the scientific scientific calculations and complex mathematics and array operations, especially the array manipulation, array creation. This kind of things we will using through NumPy to very efficiently and very easily. Okay, that is why we are using NumPy. Okay, this is the NumPy basic introductions. Why we are using in the deep learning part. Okay, we know what is the NumPy means is the array manipulation, the very array operation library. Okay, it's fine. Why using NumPy is in deep learning? Okay, I want to tell you. Okay, this is the reason for there are several reasons is that for using NumPy in deep learning. That is the one of the reason I given here. That is the one of the thing is the efficient array operation. That is the efficient array operations. You will do some powerful array operations in using the NumPy. Okay, is supporting the large data sets. Okay, using the NumPy library is supporting the powerful and efficient array operation on large data sets. Yeah. The deep learnings also have a large amount of data sets. Okay, that time we are not going to use the normal traditional method, that is like a list or other kind of things. Okay, that time we need some efficient and powerful things. That is the one is a NumPy. We are is the first things is very efficient and very fast compared with the normal traditional list. Okay, second one is the mathematical operations. Yeah, I already said, right? The NumPy is given lot of mathematical functions also is given the array operation using for the array operations and is using for the complex max operations. Yeah, it's have a lot of mathematical functions. Yeah, a lot of mathematical functions. So you are using NumPy to do the complex mathematical functions also very easily. That is the second reason. Okay, for the example linear algebra. Okay, you have a matrix multiplication, matrix operations. You do a lot of things, right? In a linear algebra, you easily do using NumPy. And second thing is eigen values, decorators, these kind of things also you can do, some eigen values kind of things. The final one is random number generating. There is also one of the important things for the mathematical operations is the random number generations. We are also using some places in random numbers generations. Yeah, that's why we are using a NumPy. The third thing is the integration with the other libraries. It means NumPy is supporting the crash libraries also. This means the TensorFlow, the PyTorch, Keras. These libraries is written on NumPy. Okay, this library is playing a crucial role in NumPy. Okay. The fourth one is the memory efficient. Yeah, is this memory allocation is completely different from a normal traditional list method. This memory efficient is the little bit difference. It's efficiently allocate the memory for the large data sets, and the retrieval mechanism is completely different. It's a very fast and retrieving the data. So in large data sets, that's why we are using in NumPy for the memory efficiency and the use of usage. Okay, so easy of usage. This is very easy to use everyone. Okay, we have a lot of mathematical we need a lot of mathematical operations and some array manipulations and do lot of things, right? Okay, you easily you can't write everything in our scratch, everything from scratch. Okay, that time you easily do everything using NumPy. The final one is the broadcast string. The source is a very interactive and very simple. That is things. This is the advantages of the NumPy we are using in the deep learning. What are the things? I just remember one more times. Efficiently array operation is allocating the efficiently array operation. It means we have arrays. It means we have a lot of image data sets. We have a lot of things. This everything is an array. You want to do some operation, so that is why we are using the array. The second thing is the mathematical operation. It supports the bulk amount of mathematical functions. The third one is the interactive library. Is support lot of libraries, TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, supporting the lot of libraries. The fourth one is a memory efficient. Is a very faster and very efficient. Okay, the retrieval thing also is a very different mechanism. Last thing is the easy to use. This is the benefits. I just go into the coding part now. I already have one. I already have one notebook here. This is not a written notebook. I already written some wordings for NumPy absolute basic for beginners, like kind of this. Okay, I'm not write any codes here. Okay, first one is this the very basic NumPy tutorial. I'm not cover the entire NumPy parts. I just cover the some basic stuffs. Okay, first one is NumPy is standard for the numerical Python. Is the stand form of the NumPy. Is an open source Python library. Second one is that is used in almost every fields. Okay, it means they are using the students, researchers, and scientists, some industry related peoples, electronical engineering also is using lot for the FFTs. Okay, you are you installed in the local host? That is the command of the NumPy library. Pip install NumPy, but it's not needed. The Google Colab is already installed, is pre-installed in the environments. That is why we are directly import the library. How to import the library? Okay, import NumPy as NP. Okay, this is the command of the importing the library. Import is the command. Okay, import is the command, and NumPy is the library name, and A is the alias name. Is a keyword. AS means is a alias name. After the AS, you return anything. Okay, NP, P, whatever. NumPy also is fine. Okay, this is the you given the alias name. This is the command, and what we are going to do is first thing is we are creating some arrays. Okay, we are creating some arrays. The array creation method is a lot of method is there in NumPy. That is the few things I given here. First one is the np.array. The second thing is using the np.zeros. The zeros is a np array zeros. This everything is a functions. Okay, inside the NumPy functions. np.ones, np.empty, and np.arrange, and np.line space. The final one is the d types. Okay, these many function is there in creating the array operations. Okay, creating a array. This many function is there in NumPy. Okay, just we are going to do some array creation. Yeah, I already given one image. creating the first array. This is array 1, np dot, okay, yeah, it's done. I just print the array. Yeah, it's given a 1 2 3. That is why we are given inside the array functions. It means the 1 2 3 is means numpy is taken 1 2 3 like this only. Okay, it's not a 1 2 3. It's taken the 1 2 3. It's defaultly taken this way. uh, the second thing is okay, array 2, I creating the np dot zeros. I just put the 4, print array 2. Okay, just see the output. The 0 means nothing but nothing that that is given, everything is a 0. I put the here just 10. It's been given the 10 0 values. Okay, this is the one of the array creation method. This is the zeros array. Next method is ones. I just put in the 4 only. I print the array 3. Yeah, we are getting 4 values of 1, 4 numbers of 1. Okay, this is the ones array. The next one is the range. That is array 4 equal to np dot range of 4. Yeah, is range function is nothing but we already seen range in a Python basics. This is the same thing. Yeah, we will okay, we explore more in the range functions. That time we are covering the, we passing only one value, is we are getting some value based on the given number. We will do some other things also in the range function. Okay, we are going to see that things. Array 5 is ap dot range 4, sorry, range is 1. I given 10. Okay, okay, this means 1 to 9. I given 10 rates. I just given 10 here. That is 7. Yeah, it's given 0 to 9. Its meaning is totally 10 values. The value started in 0, is vending is 10th values. That is why we are giving the 9 values. Here I put the 1 comma 10. It means it started from 1. Okay, it's entered the 10th value. That is why it's given 1 to 9. In case I given 5 means it started the 5th index and it started the 5 and I ended with the 10th value. Okay, I just given 10 only. Now you also do some more things also. I show to you 1 comma 10 and I given 2. Okay, you see the outputs. Here you get 1 3 5 7 9. It means is 1 to is started from the 1. Yeah, is correct. Is ended with the 10th value. Yeah, it's correct. And the 2 is the iterations. It's add on every time is a 2. Okay. 1, the second value is the 3, the second value is the 5, the second value is the 7, the second value is 9. It's given 1 3 5 7 9. In case I given here 3 means is iterated, everything is a 3, multiply with the 3. 1 plus 3 is a 4, 4 plus 3 is a 7, like this. Okay, the next one is the line space. I just given the 1 to 5. Yeah, yeah, I getting some bunch of values. That is what is means it started with the 1 and up to 5 I getting some certain values. Okay, I don't know how many values. How I see is the Python have one function is a len. We missed the function in the previous section. We already take the more times, right? That is why. Yeah, it's a totally 50 members, 50 elements in the array 7. Okay, you thinking is a 50 number, I given 1 comma 5. In case I given np dot line space, in case I given 1 comma 10, that time what we get, how many values we get? Yeah, we will see how many values. Yeah, this also is 50 values only, but this time is what has happened means I am getting 1 to 10. Okay, you given any values is only the is creating the only 50 elements in the array. Okay, now I doing some more. Okay, so 8 equal to np dot line place 1 comma 10. I just given the 150 here. Yeah, I'm getting some extra amount of data. Now I just check the length. Okay, length of array is a totally 150 elements, right? That is why we are, that is what we are given here. Yeah, this is the method of creating arrays. Okay, I just once again I okay explain again. We have a lot of function in the creating a array operations. Okay, array that is first thing is np dot array. You just whatever numbers you want, you just put the inside the array. I just put the 1 2 3. That is why I am getting the 1 2 3 is the output. The next thing is the np dot 0. Here you just given how many values you want. Just you given the that numbers. I given 10. I getting 10 zeros. Okay, that is np dot zeros. The third is np dot ones. Is I put in the 4. Well, this means I'm getting 4 ones. The next thing is a range function. The range function is nothing but we already seen in the Python programming is the we are using in for loop. At the same thing, just given the 10, I'm getting 10 values. Is started with the 0, ended in the 10th index, and we explore more in the range function. You will change the starting points also. Okay, the first thing is first element is starting point. The second element is ending element. Okay, you will improve the more. You will first element is the starting. The second element is the ending index, and the third one is the iteration. How many iteration you want to the next elements. The line space is the one of the method creating a array is creating a 50 elements in defaultly you given certain range. I given the 1 to 5 is creating the 1 to 5 in between 50 values. We will change the default value is a 50. We will change the 150 also is possible, 100 is also is possible. Whatever the element you required, you just give the numbers. Yeah, the final one is that is the data. type. Okay, I just write the one more function here. I missed the one function, that is np dot sorry array of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, I just print the array. Yeah, now what I want is I want to check the d type. Oh, this is the int 64, but now I want a float. Okay, the same number, but I want the float data types. We are using more in the deep learning section, basically the data types. Yeah, I check the data type. It's a float 64. The same data I just initialize the what is the data type is a float, is converting is the int 64 to float 64. This is the method is creating an array. Next, what we are going to see is sort and adding a element. I just creating one array. Now in this time I creating using the random functions. Okay, array level is equal to np dot random dot rand. I creating for random array. This is the random array. You see the first element is 0.8917 is a 0.8. The second thing is a 0.59 is almost 6 is a 0.5. Okay, the third element is a 0.13. The fourth element is 0.06. Is given something some different things. Here I am getting some other values. First element is 76 0.76. The second one is 0.68. The fourth one is 0.01. The fourth one is 0.84. Now I want to sort the array. How I sort means np dot sort. Now you getting the sorted array. First element is 0.1. The second element is 0.86. The third element is 0.76. The fourth element is 0.84. Is a proper sorted array. And adding the element. Now you just think I have a two arrays. Okay, that is array 12 equal to np dot array of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, I have this array. I have one more array also. This is a 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. Okay, I have two arrays. You just think I just print and show the arrays. Well, these are my arrays. Now I want to adding these two arrays only one array. Okay, you just think this is the different data, this is the different data. For the example, this is the day 1 data for the attendance. Okay, some participant data. This is the day 2 some participant data, or this kind of things. Okay, you just assume I want to merge everything only one list. How I do is I creating one variable name is merge array. The NumPy is having one function is a concatenate. Okay, that is the concatenate. Concatenation is nothing but is adding a array. Okay, is adding a two arrays one array. Oh, sorry, it's needed one more bracket. Yeah, you usually adding the two arrays. Okay, 1 2 3 4 is one separate array, 5 6 7 8 is one separate array. We adding the two arrays in the one array, as a one array. Okay, is possible in lot of data also is possible. Okay, is first array have some thousands of data, the second array also is thousands of data or hundreds of data. You want to add the merge the two data is possible to this command. Now, okay, I missed one thing here. Create a own image. I missed the point in the text part. Okay, now what I want to do is I creating one image. Okay, in customized image using NumPy. Okay, what I do going to do is the same once function, creating okay 10 comma 10. My database uint 8. This is the code of image. I just print the array. This is my array. Okay, now okay, we are previously using on matplot library. Plt dot im show of image. Yeah, you see this is the image. Okay, the length is 0 to 10 is entered here, is a 8 is a 10. Okay, this value is the entered is a 0 to 10. I just change here 0 to 5. You see, this is the array value, this is the image value. Okay, this is the image. I think you getting some ideas about the creating image. Next we want to see dimension, size, shape. This is the very important thing in deep learnings. We have a lot of image data. That time we do a lot of operations in the image, cropping and transforming the image, and we do lot of things. Okay, that time we know what is our image shape, what is the image size, what is the which dimensionality this image. We want to see, we want to know everything. Okay, I just see the dimension. Image is this is the image variable. I creating this image, right? This is the variable of name as image. This is the two-dimensional image, and I creating the size. Okay, I see the size. This is the 50. 15 means yeah, it's a 10 rows and 5 columns. Is totally 15 elements in this image. It's the size. Image dot shape. Yeah, it's given the shape of the image. This is we given the days, right? 10 comma 5. Yeah, fine. In case I have a one dimensional, for the example np dot array of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, this is also one image, one array. I just see the everything for this arrays. You see, first one is the dimension, is the one dimensional array. The total size is 4. Yeah, it's only 4 element. The last one is the size is 4 is given the 4 comma, it means 4 comma 1. I already said this, the 4 is a row, it's a 1 2 3 4, it's taken the row wise only, so 4 comma 1. Now I want to reshape the array. How I reshape the array? I have already have one image data sets, right? Okay, nb dot reshape image comma, I want to reshape okay 10 comma 5. It's a 10 comma 5. Yeah, the previous also is a 10 comma 5 only. I just change the value. Is 5 comma 10. Yeah, is changing this to this. Indexing, we already explored a lot in a Python basics indexing. I just skip the part. I just move on to the basics array operations. Here I have two arrays. Now I want to create two arrays. First one array name is data np dot array of 1 comma 2. This is the one array name. The second one array is ones 2. Okay, I just print the data. Yeah, the ones missing is given the two ones. Now what I want to do is I want to add these two arrays. Okay, how I do is data plus yeah, it's added 2 comma 3 is the same race. The first element adding the first element is a 2, the second element is adding the second element is a 3. This also is possible for the multiplication. Yeah, its answer is 1 comma 2. It means 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 1 is 1, sorry 2. Okay, I think we end of the section. We come to the final part, the more useful part also. You just think I creating some random numbers here. Okay, for the example, I given 15. Okay, mp dot random dot rand is okay 5 comma 5. Okay, I think I'm getting some errors. Yeah, I created some array here. Okay, you see first value is 35 and second value is 86, 61, 42 into something. The third is 92, 72, 86. But you have this is a very small array. Okay, you just see this is a very small array, but you think you have a image size is 150 cross 150 something. Okay, or 255 cross 255, whatever is you getting is some big array. That time you want to know what is the maximum values. Okay, how we do is this the function is called max. This array is a maximum value is 0 comma 97. This is the maximum value. I think it's here. Yeah, it's here. Now we want see the minimum values also. There is a function called main. It's given this the smallest value. This 0.08. It's where is there? Yeah, it's there in a second row. Yeah, it's also is saying is also you do the sum values also. You are adding the entire array in sum. Yeah, my total adding value is 15.35. Yeah, I think we are end of the session. I just give the overall idea about this NumPy things. First, we created some array in manual way. We are this is here lot of array method is here. We are explore every method in step by step, and we are creating one image. We were creating one image and see the dimensions and check the size and shapes everything, and we reshaping the array and some basic things, adding the two arrays and multiply the two arrays, and the final thing is we find out the some maximum values of array and minimum value of array, and we lastly finally we sum the arrays. Yeah, the array is a very important thing in deep learning. Not only deep learning, it's a very important thing in the data science, machine learnings, AI, and some research works. Is a lot is using the array operations. Okay, in using NumPys. Okay, I hope you getting some idea about the NumPy. We are just move on to the next thing is a matplotlib visualization library.